In this tutorial, we are going to go over how to refund a transaction in Reviva. So where you're going to first go is to go to your invoices. So, we open up this left-hand menu here and you click on payments. You will immediately get led to the invoices page where you can access all of your invoices and as well as the transactions. So let's say that you want to refund, right, an invoice for Valerie for SkinCeuticals cleanser specifically. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to click on the invoice itself, and then I am going to click on the refund button here. So for refunding, there is a couple of different options. You can refund by just the item purchase specifically. So in this case, I would select the SkinCeuticals cleanser, click continue, and then refund for that particular item. I can also refund by an amount, and this is used for, let's say you wanted to give a partial refund and not refund the full $50, right? But maybe I wanted to refund 25 of the $50. Then you can do that by clicking on this refund by amount and then clicking continue to then refund the $25 amount. And then refund by credit. So this is specifically for memberships or packages. If you essentially used a credit to process that transaction, then you would select which particular credit you would like to use and then click continue to then have that refund process. The most common scenario is you're probably going to do refund by item, and you could select the specific items in the invoice that you would like to then refund and then click continue here. And then now we can select the payment method. You can do the original payment method or cash. You could also do store credit and have that on the client's account. But for this particular use case, I'm going to click on original payment cash. And then you can also put an internal note, maybe something like client wasn't happy with the product, and then click submit. So that is how you process a refund in Reviva.